Myself, Yogesh Suresh Dharne. I am working here as an Assistant General Manager. I am heading Maintenance and HSE Department. Our MACB bill after fixing 700 kilowatt was also coming too high, around some 10 to 12 lakhs. So we wanted to reduce our MACB consumption units. We wanted to reduce our MACB bill. So we decided to put an additional 300 kilowatt plant in our plant. We had approached for almost 3 to 4 vendors for this solar project. So out of which we found Alligator a very much competent. So they had came to our plant, they visited our site. So we saw their work quality, work culture. Their engineering was very good, and they had a safety aspect to while carrying out this project. The engineering was good and their team was very competent. We had installed solar system of almost 300 kilowatt with Alligator in month of Jan 25, and we started unit generation from in month of March. So we found a very good, means whatever they had said, this much unit you will be saving. So we found that very much prompt in that, and we get a saving of almost 4 to 5 lakhs from in our MAC bill. Working with Alligator was flawless in all aspects. Their team was very strong. They had a strong culture. They had a strong safety culture. They had a good knowledge. Their work quality was also good. Time which they had given us, they completed the project within the time limit. Most positive aspect, if I say, for Alligator is their communication. If you look at the service, it is very good service. That team is very competent. They have a thorough knowledge of cleaning the panels, checking the solar system and all that. So in a month, they are visiting twice. They are cleaning the solar panels. Yes, definitely. I will like to recommend Alligator to one of my known team, my known persons and all that. And already I have recommended Alligator to two of my friends. They have also given the order to Alligator.